T-shirt chick.
What's up, Print Squad? Look, in the last video I was filming dealing with this printer. It wouldn't even print, y'all. I'm gonna just tell y'all how good God is, y'all. I got 3 orders. I got 3 orders this week, and my printer was not printing. I got the proof on the other video. So, you know, I set my other printer up over here, but it's telling me, it's giving me an error on the yellow cartridge, and I don't have an extra yellow cartridge, but I was actually going to order a continuous ink system for that, but I haven't had a chance to, you know, order it and get it in. But look at this. Ain't God good, y'all? Today this printer has printed. It actually didn't print out perfect, but I can actually go back over it with the marker to get that right. But what I'm gonna do, y'all know what I do. I stick it back in there and hope it print in the same place. If not, you know, that'll be a warm-up to maybe getting it to print right for the next one. If not, I can fix it with that marker and move on. But glory to God, y'all. I'm telling you, you got to put God first in everything you do, and He will come through. But that's all I just wanted to show you guys on this right here. I will be filming in a minute. When I'll be back in a minute once I get these things printed out good and burn the screens and let you guys check out this print. So I'll check back in a minute. Look, this is what the first thing I printed looked like. You know, I was just printing it just to see if it would even print, just on some regular paper. I don't know. I'm gonna have to, you know, make moves though and go ahead and get the other printer going. It's just taking a minute to do what it do. I don't know what it's doing. It's doing a few little mechanical things right now. Yeah, but this printer is super old. Super old. All right, we gonna see. We gonna see if it's gonna work for me this time. I think we got this. I think we got this time. Hopefully it's in the right spot. It didn't print in a perfect spot. I kind of was thinking that it wouldn't because of the way it was lined up. But yeah, we got a better print though. I'm gonna let y'all check it out and see what it's looking like. Y'all see right there, it didn't line up perfectly. It kind of double printed because when it pulled it in there, somehow I didn't have it just right, pulling it up in there. So you can see where it was light at, and you can see where it's, you know, the light print is right next to the dark print. Yeah, so yeah, it's printing, and I'm telling y'all, glory to God, for real. But yeah, we got it right though. It's printing. Now all I gotta do is you know, take this one out. This was the test sample to get it ready to print and to get it printing right. So now we got it going. So yeah, it double printed right there. As y'all see, it made those parts thicker than they should have been. But yeah, look, I tell you, I just feel like God is gonna work things out no matter what. I really do, y'all. I really do. I feel like God just gonna work things out. If it's for you, it's for you, and nobody can't take that away. I'm telling y'all. And look, this shirt, when I put it on this morning, it was clean. I shouldn't even wore it. I done got it all dusty because I was moving my big printer, and I got all kind of stuff on my shirt. And this was one, you know, my good shirts. I like Golden Girl shirts right here. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna print these out because y'all see my printer is working better now. I'm gonna go ahead and print this out, And this video right here, I'm going to put it on the red channel. So if y'all want to see the results of the rest of this stuff, y'all going to have to check out on the green channel. You know, I'm gonna lead you up if you get to see behind the scenes here on the Red channel, so y'all know what's coming up. But yeah, but if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And also follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. Join the Print Squad group on Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.